So the penny stocks I have to share with you guys, you definitely want to have on your radar this week. They have popped up with recent news, and this week they're presenting to be primed as opportunity. You do not want to ignore them on their slight pullback and hold of support, and that's what we're going to break down here in today's video, and especially the last one on this list you want to stick around for. It is in the AI sector, and it got a huge contract, which we'll break down with the news that came out and stuff. So in today's volatility, our SPY bot presented opportunities at the open, and now here in the volatility in the middle of the day at 10:55 a.m., it sent out a bear indicator. You could see it there popping up on the screen at around the 678 mark, and so far we've dropped down towards 675 and we're hovering near 676. And within minutes to an hour, put options went up over 80 to 100% plus, guys. If you trade options and you trade the SPY and you want to know about these stocks early on, you can get connected to our 42 vision indicators. The link is down below in the description and top pinned comment to join the community of members using it. Now, it wasn't the only opportunity that was presented today. While it was falling, the overall market was dropping down to support levels. Tesla was running, and it sent out a bull indicator here at 10:05 a.m. at around the 437 level, and it jumped up to high so far of 449. And call options went up over 50% plus. So if you trade options in general, or you like trading the SPY or Tesla, Apple, or individual stocks, Nvidia, we have bots that send out notifications daily through the volatility, presenting opportunities, and you get equipped with the 42 vision indicators live on your charts. The link is down below in the description and top pinned comment, and you could see it there popping up on the screen. Some of the members' gains and opportunities and experiences using 42 vision navigating through the volatility. We also have now that you can become an affiliate, right? You click the affiliate link down below in the description and top pinned comment. You'll be landed to this page, and you can scroll down to the bottom, and you will be receiving a 25% reward for every single affiliate that signs up through your link, and it confirms, and they're an official sign up and connected to 42 vision. You'll receive 25%. You can create yourself a way of passive income online through the affiliate link, and on top of that, if you haven't connected, you can become an affiliate and you will receive access to 42 vision indicators with your first affiliate sign up. So once you have your first affiliate that signs up, you will be connected to 42 vision at no cost, just for being an affiliate and having an affiliate that has been connected. So you can invite your friends, you can share it on different forums, you can share it on different communities, and those that sign up through your affiliate, you'll receive 25%, and you'll also get free access to the indicators once you have affiliates connected through your link. And for as long as you have affiliates that remain connected, you'll have access to 42 vision. So sign up today. The link is down below as well for that at no cost to you. So the first stock here on this list is Personalis Inc, PSNL stock. This penny stock, okay, had a run here, jumping up from around $6 all the way to highs up here of $9 so far, and sitting at 886. Strong bull indicator there in the pre-market since 689. But the reason why this one ran, and these are the type of stocks that I really love, they're making an impact in the communities out there. It's making an impact in the health field, and it's changing lives, right, for the better, and just health in general. So these type of stocks really excite me. They are risky, right, because they present a lot of volatile situations of whether the press release is correct, whether the actual phase of the trial continues to do well. I mean, there's so many little different factors, but this one right here had a strong move today because the stock rises, right, on Medicare coverage for its breast cancer test. Okay, this is a pretty big deal because now it just expanded and tapped into Medicare, right? So it's going to be funded for its testing, and it's going to be used, right? And It says here that the cancer testing company said Medicare will now cover reoccurrence monitoring using its next personal test for up to 6 years for beneficiaries with stage 2 and stage 3 breast cancer. So this is creating an avenue um, for the test to aim and detect small traces of recurrent breast cancer from a blood test, allowing patients to have additional reassurance once they get negative results, the company said. So it's for them to continue that ongoing, you know, I wouldn't call it maintenance, but the word is just ongoing knowledge, right? Is how I would word it, of what they went through and ongoing preventive care, right? Like that's really what it comes down to make sure that things continue as they were going. So now they are able to test so much faster rather than waiting to go to the doctor, waiting to go and get seen, waiting for an appointment. There's just so much benefits for that. And the biggest thing is that it's being funded. Um, and again, I'm no scientist. I'm no doctor. I'm interpreting this as best as I know how and how I see it. And PSNL, I'm not a financial advisor or telling anyone to buy this stock, but this is big news for this stock, and there's levels here to not ignore. And the biggest thing here is the 15-minute undurable indicator, the 30-minute, and the 5-minute. Now sitting flat, trying to hold a support. This bear indicator could quickly destroy this chart, break it down below 862, and bring it down the gap to 750. And that area and that gap will be so important for the bulls to reappear. And again, this is just my opinion and perspective alone, not financial advice. Penny stocks are very volatile, especially chemical and bio stocks in general are much more riskier and volatile because of the news and the trials and the hits and the miss. But right now, this is concrete news. Okay, being funded by Medicare coverage. Okay, and it's going to allow for additional reassurance once the patient gets negative results to continue to monitor that and see that in a much more cost-effective and quicker way than going through all the hurdles of the health system and appointment scheduling and time and everything like that. So it's going to create convenience. Now, to the upside, we really want this bear indicator to get canceled, but the ones that need to hold is the 15-minute and the 30-minute. They look so clean and so strong here at these levels, and we want to break above $9, which is just a few cents from where it's at. And then there's a nice gap to fill up towards 980s, and then that's where we rejected. That's the last time this stock was in a tight consolidation before it fell and fell all the way down to $5 going into earnings. So breaking that 980 to $10 area is going to be crucial if the stock wants to go any higher. And then the recent high was up towards 1080, right? So we definitely want to see those levels get broken through and used as support. And then the next level above that will be between the $11 to $12 area, and then reassess and see if it even can go towards 14 to 15. But right now, the first level is going to be near $10, then 1080, then all the way up towards the $12 area. This is pretty big news for this stock and for the innovation and future of this science itself. And it's being backed by Medicare, okay? It's being funded. So it's a real thing. It's no joke here, not just some penny stock or some biochem stock or, a health technology stock sending out some random information and trying to make their stock run up. Now, the next stock here is BNAI, Brand Engagement Network. Now, this penny stock is an AI penny stock. I mean, we're looking at a stock that's below $1. It ran from around 36 cents to highs up here so far of 83 cents. It fell sharply, so there's going to be volatility. These penny stocks are volatile and very risky. But the recent news is that it expands, right? south with the Sky Latam deal, bringing regulated AI to Latin America. And it's a 5 million bet that they're taking on this localized AI. So they went ahead and expanded, right, into the Latin America countries, and it's receiving 5 million, right, on this deal and package. And the stock's market cap is $29 million. So 5 million is about right around, 1/6 of its value. So we're talking about a little bit below 20% of the market cap's value that it's going to receive through this injection and this deal. Now the stock has ran up nearly 100%, and today's volume is 349 million, and the average 30-day was 26 million the last few days. So that's something to keep in mind. So going into tomorrow, the rest of this week, it will be very important for the volume to stay in the 100 millions and to not ignore that, because that high volume will have an impact on the momentum sustaining itself or completely fading. And also earnings is in the next 3 days. So there could be some excitement going into earnings. So this whole week, this is definitely a stock to not ignore. So on the 30-minute, strong bull indicator there at 36 cents. On the 15-minute, a strong bull indicator at 36 cents since the pre-market. And then when we look at the 5-minute, going into that open, a bull indicator popped up around 56 cents. Now, you could see from that point forward, it jumped up to 60 cents, and then it just ran up all the way to 82 cents. Nearly a 50% move, right? 40 to 50% move within that run. And these are the opportunities that 42 Vision really confirms the strength of trend. And the inflow versus outflow as well. Once you're connected to it, you could see when the inflows are dominating, it will be above the midpoint, and when the outflows are dominating, it will be below the midpoint. And that plays a huge role in knowing the strength of momentum and confirming with all the confirmations aligning on 42 Vision to maximize within these volatile moves. And in this specific stock, it's going to be so important to hold where that bull indicator popped up, 57.56 cents, and slightly below that is the low of the day at the open of 53 cents, which you could see the consolidation there in the pre-market before the run, and it found support here at 57 cents, not that far off where that bull indicator was, and it's already at 64 cents, nearly a 10% plus move, and the highest point it hit was 67. So right there, just in that move, almost 20%, right? 15 to 20%. And a bear indicator has popped up here in the volatility at 69 cents. That definitely needs to get canceled. We want to hold above 57, 53, 50 cents will be so crucial. Like so crucial. If that gets broken through, then all the way down to 43. And if that gets eradicated, I mean, we can go down to the recent lows or even lower of 36 cents. So that is something to completely not even expect. If there's going to be continuation of momentum and bullishness, the stock will want to stay above the 50 to 57 cent area. And that's what it's doing right now. So this bear indicator does need to get canceled. And if it can roll that strength over and remain on the 15-minute, on the 30-minute, the first resistance is going to be 72. And then the breakout here and gap up is all the way back up to 82 cents. If that gets broken through historically here, okay, getting back above 69, getting back above 75, and even 76 cents, well then above 82, which is a resistance level here historically, where it started to fall sharply after that big run that it had back in October 7th, the gap up there is all the way up towards 94 to 95 cents. And that's not that far from $1. So could it even try to reach $1 and break out? That's what I'm going to be looking for. I'm going to be looking for these bull indicators to continue to hold, and those are the key levels to the upside and downside that I will watch on this penny stock. Now, if you guys like trading penny stocks or options and you want to be up to date and know about these videos, go ahead and hit that notification bell and subscribe down below and hit that like button so that you can go ahead and push this out to more people through the YouTube algorithm so they can be informed as well. Share it with the friends so they can know more about this and look at these charts and see what we were looking at today and my opinions and perspective. And again, you could become a affiliate and receive 25% for each affiliate that joins the 42 Vision community through your link. And once you have your first affiliate, you will be connected for free to the 42 Vision indicators. So check that out. The link is down below. And I look forward to getting you guys set up, getting you guys connected. Share it with a friend. Share it in the communities and forums. And get more people equipped with the edge that 42 Vision brings and everything that we share once connected and becoming a member. And again, you don't have to be a member to be an affiliate. And you will be connected to the 42 Vision indicators even though you're not a member, as long as you have your first customer purchase using your link. You'll earn that commission of 25% for every single one, and you will be connected for free to the 42 Vision indicators for being an affiliate and starting your affiliate journey. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.